again, so a shoulder, another drill you can do is like, it's like a front, up, back, like down. So it's like front, or we'll say forward, up, back, down. Forward, up, back, down. And let's do it again, but we'll go reverse. We'll go down, and you're kind of shrugging down. So you're down, back, forward, or up, forward. One more time, down, back, up, forward. And it's like, what am I ever going to use this for, Gribs? Like, I don't get it, you know? Well, that's the thing. It's going to come in handy because you're going to find yourself in a intricacy, in a spot that you might get stuck in. Maybe you're like that move that I did, I got stuck, you know? And then maybe you're like, boom, 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 and then you're like, I don't know, maybe you're like, boom, 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 boom. Do you see how I'm like rolling with my shoulders now, but I'm like boom, 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 and the rest of my body is like boom, 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 and I'm also rotating on this axis like this, right? So before I was just doing this, now I'm going like this, but I'm adding this rotation, and it's kind of like they call it hits or ticking. You're doing a quick like boom, 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 boom. Okay, so you're like boom, 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 but I'm going like this, and I'm kind of doing this with my feet too at the same time. But maybe you're like boom, 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 boom. And if that's too hard for you, just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you see what I mean? Why you need to practice little movements like this, 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 right? This, 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 this. And I'm just going forward, up, back, down, okay? And you change the plane that you're on. So again, I got this move, and I was here. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't get out of it, and I went here. And then I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then we changed the whole plane and axis, and it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just an example of one of many, probably hundreds of thousands of moves and different angles and planes that you could do and change up the X and Y axis and go in a different direction, okay? So you just have to play around with stuff, but feel free to take whatever I give you and add it to your own flow, and then maybe you'll build off that, okay? Practice getting stuck. Practice getting stuck in your own flow, in your dance, in your practice time, and see where it can take you. You know, practice getting stuck and getting out of it.